3x4 house by Plareng plus Victor Piza in Imbituba, Brazil. Located on a flat plot of land measuring 15 x 25 m, in the Itapirubá beach, the 3x4 house is the result of the search for a compact, cost-effective construction that integrates the interior and exterior. To deal with the rainy and very humid climate, it was decided to create a half-meter elevated concrete base about the ground. On this base, aiming for construction rationalization, the floor plan was organized into 9 rectangles measuring 3 x 4 m. 3 out of the 9 blocks are dedicated to the bedrooms and bathrooms, which, due to their more private nature, were made of structural masonry and are located at the back of the lot. The kitchen and living room occupy the central strip of the floor plan. A large frame allows these spaces to connect to the veranda that occupies the 3 front modules of the house. Facing the garden and the street in the northwest portion of the plot, the most open side is supported by angelum pedra pillars. The gable roof with sandwich tiles creates shaded terraces around the entire house with its generous eaves. Openings on all sides of the house allow for ventilation control. The external walls were covered with corrugated metal tiles to assist with thermal comfort.